so tired. Hopefully in this video I won't bloody start yawning out watching telly like last time. Well, that kind of failed and I'm not uploading that onto YouTube. I don't know why I'm able to upload videos like this. I just don't understand. But yeah, let's do a little Q&A together. So, I'll be uploading videos daily. Really daily actually. Every day I'll be uploading a brand new YouTube video, which will start obviously me in it. And I will actually be starting a prank channel, I think. I don't really know. Yeah. Go check out Roman Atwood vlogs and Roman Atwood pranks. He pranks and he does a bunch more other stuff. There aren't no links into the description shite on my channel because I aren't starting a gaming channel just yet. However, I've just got a PlayStation 3. Getting a PlayStation 4 for Christmas from my dad, an electric scooter from my mum. Hopefully, my dad. Well, I don't even know what I'm talking about this one. If you already know, I am a big fan of Nerf. I'll show you my gun now. I'm actually a really big fan of Nerf guns and stuff and big guns and SpongeBob curtains in the background, but that doesn't matter. Here is my gun in full shape and size. It is a Nerf Zombie strike crossbow. It's got an attachable and detachable little thing. And it's got a detachable and an attachable little thing to make it actually look like a crossbow. Pull it back, you put green bullets in, and you fire it, and it does actually push your hand back. I am pretty strong for my age, and normally some of these guns don't push my hands back, but this gun is a strong gun, and it does take some effort to know what you're doing with this gun. So if you want the crossbow bit onto your gun, you can have it, and if you don't want it, you pull it back, get some scissors and cut it off, or pull the string and then cut it off there. So yeah, that has been it for today, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and sooner or later I will be doing a full vlog cam. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.